level 5. We're gonna be cruising now. Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. I got something new into the channel here. It's a Nakto 26-inch fat tire e-bike, 750 watts. And you know, I have the e-bike that I had on the channel. I use it and bring the cars to the park. That's why I got it. That one has a 350 watt motor. This has a 750 watt motor. This one's 48 volts, 16 amp hour battery. And this one has a 5 pedal assist. I'll show you it real quick. You turn it on right here, the battery. And you got a power switch here. And the lights on. And that's what it looks like. You got over here, you got the plus and minus. That's on 1. It goes 2, 3, 4, 5 pedal assist. And over here, it's got a cool horn. I like this. Has the light mode here. You put it on, the light. You see it up there. Awesome. And it has a cruise control on the side here. You could dim it if you're running at night. It goes dim the display. That's so cool. And it has 6 speeds. Has a suspension fork that has a lockout. And you also could adjust the preload for your body weight. And it's awesome. I'm going to take it to the park, guys, with a RC on the back. You won't know what it is till we get there. And I'm going to leave the link to this bike in the video description below if you want to check it out. It's awesome. And I'll see you at the park, guys, with a surprise RC run. Alright, we're off, guys. This thing goes right up the hills and stuff. You don't even have to pedal. I'm only in level 1 right now. We'll have to see what it does when we come home up the hills. The cruise control is awesome on it. It has a cruise control. Let me show you guys. If you just press the speed what you want with the throttle and then hold the minus key, there it is. Now I'm not doing nothing. It's just in cruise control at that speed. And it stays on. You could pedal and it still stays on until you hit the throttle or you brake again. The power band. Goes like 22 miles an hour. I think I tested on my other video on my other channel. It goes up the hills. You don't even have to look. I'm not even pedaling. This is a steep hill. It's crazy. So many cars over here. Yeah, but this thing's awesome. On my other channel, I have it, and I went through the woods and everything. It's going right up this hill. Take it off road a little bit to the spot. Put in a lower gear. And I'll show you the surprise. Yeah, I'll go here. This thing's awesome. Blast. Whoa, my car almost came off sideways. I gotta tighten it up. Surprise! There it is, guys. The lovely Hornet with its new ESC. This will be the first time I'm running it. Doesn't it match this Nakto bike good? Perfect match. Look at the colors. Awesome. So let's run this beauty. You just remember the ESC broke and I had to put a new 1060 in. So this will be the first time I'm running her. So let's test it out. Oh, I think I need some gyro. Holy God, these tires slip on here. Oh! It's hard to control. Holy smokes. I got these tires on. These are like, what are they, the Subaru Brat types? They slip like crazy. Oh, yeah. Ah, at least the ESC's working. Yeah, Steve, you're driving real good. Try a little more gyro effect. This thing's crazy. Can't even hit nothing with it. It's out of control. Oh. Oh guys, these tires aren't the best for the sand, that's for sure. Ah, that's a nice little clumpy bump. I won't be able to hit it. Oh my God. Definitely the wrong tires for this beauty. They're hard too. They bounce. Oh, that was pretty nice. That wasn't nice. Poor Hornet. And it's damp too, it's not that bad. Oh! That hurt. This Hornet is not working right. Hornet's not cooperating with me, guys. I guess it's too fast with the 21 turn. Well, at least she's working. Last time, she didn't work so hot with the ESC braking. Bouncing beauty, that's what she is. Traction roll with a Hornet? What the heck? Oh yeah. Oh no, come on. Dang it. Maybe I should have went on the other side. It looks like it was dry. This looks damp. Like the beach where the water runs up and down. Oh my God, my poor Hornet. I'm beating her down. I'm beating her down. Oh, did you see that? Yeah, of course, you never could do it 2 times in a row. The gyro helps with these tires. Right in front of the fat bike. Nakto e-bike in the background doing some burnouts. Oh, and there she goes. Tires are like slippery, like on ice. Try something here. Well, looks like the new ASC works like a beauty. Oh, I almost knocked myself out. Oh! Alright guys, there she is. Just wanted to show you the Hornet. She's working like a beaut. And now for the ride home on the new Nakto fat bike. Let's go. Let's hit it. Clean off the tires a bit real quick. Yeah, just like that. Pack her up and we'll hit the road. See you on the road, guys. Alright guys, the Hornet's all packed up on the Nakto. Let's hit the road and go home. We had fun. At least we found out the Hornet's working. Oh, some off-roading. good to have a nice e-bike to go on adventures. Speed bump. Oh yeah, at level 5 we're gonna be cruising now. This Nakto bike is awesome. Nakto, I don't know how to say it. There's a big hill. Whoa! Oh God, let me put it on lower pedal assist. I have my toes on the pedals, but it goes right up the hill. Looks like we have some construction going on over here. Looks like I may have to jump some of these dirt hills like the Duke boys in the General. I could get through here. Hi. Yeah, that pothole. What's up? But it goes right up the hills. Hey. And we're home, guys. If you like the video of that Hornet flying around, and if you like the bike, let me know. Like I said, I'll link the bike in the video description below.